This fun basketball game for kids uses a Connect 4 board. Now, if you haven't played Connect 4 before, the idea of this game is to get a token for your team and drop it in the slot and try to get 4 tokens of the same color in a row. To make this game more difficult, you could choose some different spots to shoot from and or have more players. You can use your tokens to block the other team from getting their 4 in a row. Now, this game does go somewhat quickly, but with more athletes and harder shots, it may become more strategic. If you're looking for a board like this, you can get them from most toy stores or you can check out the Amazon link in the description below. Don't forget to like this, subscribe, and check out other videos on the channel.